So this is my classroom. It's computer science, and you can see that I do have a couple projects that I've made. This was my digital LED clock, and you can press it and change the different color for the time and things like that. And it also has different display mode like that. Some nice plants, high tables. And then over here, I teach computer science, the A level, and I developed a logic gate project for my students to learn about the and or not with a little rubric there. And you basically just hold, it's a very simplistic, this holding there. And then it has the buttons. Michael, can you help me press the buttons over here? What? Come here. Sure. So if you have and or not, so or is if either one of them have, and if you press them both on. So that's a little logic gate project there. I made a sand table where it draws different images in the sand using a microchip processor, sort of learning about input, output there. Recently, we have been learning about different operating systems, and we have installed Linux on this USB. That was one of the projects. And so if we reboot this computer, we can actually load it into Linux, which is used all around the world, and it's one of the biggest open source softwares programs there. So and then that's also linked to the BIOS. So we're going to go into the BIOS, and I'm going to boot from the USB, and then I can try Linux. So this was one of the assignments that the students were working on, is uploading Linux. And then if you have extra free time, they want to relax, I do have some comic books. I give some house points for the students who finish early. You could sit down and relax there. And can you open up the window there? Let's have a look at some of the outside, what it looks like outside. So yeah, here's the outside. This is the playground area, the main school. And those mountains over there, there's like 8 peaks, and you can walk up along those peaks there. It's a pretty good adventure there. So that's just a little bit about my classroom and how some of the projects that we have going on here. Yeah, just stay creative, learn something new, try something new, and you just may learn something, especially regarding the technology. Have some green plants, keep things alive. Okay. Happy teaching.